guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing from iMethod Beauty. They sent me something they want me to try out for them, and that's what we are going to do. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, well then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, if you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming and spending some time with me. My name is Belinda. I am a mature makeup artist, self-taught here on YouTube, and I like to do reviews, tutorials, teaching techniques. I also like skincare and anything to do with makeup and beauty. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, please hit that subscribe button and take that bell to all so you don't miss an upload. Now let's get into this review. So this is the iMethod Beauty Lip Plumper. Ooh, I'm excited about this. So if you are in the comments, I want you to tell me how many of you have tried lip plumping glosses? Raise your hand. I have tried, I'm not going to say a lot. I've tried about 4 or 5. And the only one that I really have stuck with, that really see results with, is the Gerard Cosmetics Kiss Assist Lip Plumper. And I had ordered one off Amazon, but it never came. So I think they're sending it out to me again. But we're going to try this one. Oh, wow, there's 2 of them. Let's see if there's any instructions. There is no instructions. I guess one is for day and one is for night. I'm not sure. Yes, this one is for day and this one is for night. So the night one you put on before bed and just go to bed. And then this one is the daytime one. There is no smell. So we are going, now you're supposed to line right above the vermilion, just right above that line. I'm going to do half. Of my lip. A little bit of tingling. And we're going to wait and see if any significant plumping starts to happen. I don't know how long you're supposed to wait. And it might do more over time. Do you see what I'm saying? Over time of use. I'm going to get me another lip thing because I don't want to make that one dirty. So I can do the other side. I definitely feel some tingling going on. It's not like uncomfortable. I do see a difference. So you can see right in here, this is Plumper, and right in here. Yes, I can see a difference. Oh yeah. Can y'all see it? Yep. Looks like a bee stung half of my lip. Well, not that bad. I'm gonna go down in this with my other disposable wand. Woo! Oh, I'm excited about this. This is, actually, I had ordered, the one I had ordered, I ordered it a long time ago, and it said that it was backed up and it would be a little bit, and then when they said they sent it off, and it said delivered, but I never got it. And I was going to do a TikTok on it, but it never came. So this one kind of does the same exact thing as the other one that I had ordered. Ooh, I can feel that. And it's not like a it's not a painful type thing. If you've never tried these, it's like taking peppermint, pure peppermint, and like putting it on your lips. You'll feel that tingle. This is just a little bit stronger. So you have the day and then you have the night, and I am going to actually do this and see what my lips look like in the morning time, if there's any significant difference, which this is just cause this isn't cosmetic to change, but we'll see how, you know, I like for my lips to be plumper than what they are, so this would be awesome to do lip tutorials and things like that. So yeah, I'm excited about it. Thank you, iMethod Beauty. I really appreciate this. I can see a difference. Just a little bit more plumpness. I like it. So guys, I will link iMethod Beauty's lip plumper and the brow and the cheek thing that I got. And they are on Amazon, and you can order them if you would like. And I will put my associates links down in the bottom. So let me know if you guys are going to try this out. Oh yeah, I can still see a difference. So yeah, okay. So guys, if you like this, give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.